How to use coupons on Shein app. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'll guide you on how you can use coupons on the Shein app, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. If you'd like to use coupons on the Shein app, then all you have to do is simply go ahead and first of all make sure to launch the Shein application that you can find here. And once you launch the Shein app, you're going to be able to see this type of interface where you just need to actually add the products that you want to buy to your cart. And once you add the products that you want to buy to your cart, you have to go to the checkout page by going to the cart option and then going to the checkout button. Make sure to enter your shipping methods, and after you've done that, if you scroll down under payments, you'll find a little option over here known as apply coupon. And as you can see, I've already applied one. You can just tap the apply coupon option and then you'll be able to see a list of available coupon codes and coupon offers. You can just go ahead and select them one over here, and once you select that coupon code, it's going to be successfully applied. Tap the continue option. Depending upon the value of the coupon code, you're going to get discounts based on those coupons as well. And this way you can use coupons on the Shein app. Hope this video was very helpful to you guys, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end of the tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.